Yes, I know I look pretty stupid in here. They wanted me to do something more creative and out of my comfort zone to promote season 5. So here I am, sitting in this ugly unfinished car. But I guarantee by the end of the season, this is gonna look much better. Last season, we had bar time and even got tanked. Season 5 of Real Garage, we're bringing the party inside. Starting with fitting the Tilton racing pedals, because the stock brake system just isn't gonna do it. Then we'll do some major dash work, trans tunnel, and console fabrication. We'll also do one of my much needed real projects to help me clean up some of the engines I got laying around here. So set your calendars for Real Garage Season 5 coming March 1st.